Hey guys, so please excuse what I look like right now. I've just gotten up and I'm really tired. But today is my first official day of third year, my first day of lectures. So I thought I would vlog and take you guys around with me for today. Okay, so I have set up my yoga mat and I'm about to start my morning yoga. I like to do yoga with Adrian's videos because they're just amazing. I've got a whole playlist here. I've got 24 different full body workouts. I basically went through all of her videos and made playlists. So this one is 24 videos and they are all full body workouts. Today I've picked one which is only 23 minutes long because I am starting really early today, 8:30, so I thought this one would give me more time. And then I do have two other playlists. One of them is ab workouts, and on 3 of the 5 days that I work out, I do an ab workout after a full body workout. And then I have a third playlist where it's like other kind of videos like stretching or yoga for back pain and stuff, and I will do that just randomly whenever. But today I'm not doing any abs. As I said, I just want a quick workout because I'm starting uni early. But I'm doing this one today, earth practice, total body yoga. Okay guys, so I am ready now to go to uni for my first day. It's currently 8:05, so I'm actually leaving in like 5-10 minutes. Did my morning workout, got ready, and yeah, today is going to be pretty busy. I'm going to be on campus from 8:30 till 3:30 and then I'm free, so we'll just see how it goes. So we just came out of our welcome talk and it was the most depressing lecture of my life and I'm in such a bad mood. As soon as we left the door, and because we live in like a really studenty area, like our whole road, as soon as I left the door and I just saw crowds of people walking to uni, I was like, no, I don't want to do this. But now I'm in a study space. It's actually a new study space. It's really nice. Now I have an hour to do nothing. So I need to do some stuff for VegSoc because I'm the general secretary, which basically means I do like admin stuff. So I need to send out like a group email and I need to like transfer my rent money today. So I'm just doing that in this hour. I'm training to be a peer mentor, which means that like I get paired up with someone in the year below and basically just help them with anything they need. So I've got like 2 hours training to do, which starts at 10:30. So in 50 minutes, doing that for 2 hours. Then I have a 1 hour lunch break while I stay on campus. And then I've got a 2 hour seminar. So I've just finished writing an email for VegSoc. This is basically my job. So basically as the general secretary, I just do like admin stuff, like paperwork. Basically had to like submit our socials and events online to get them approved. I have to fill out risk assessment forms. I have to book rooms and send out emails. So it's a lot of responsibility. I actually can't believe I applied to be president. I'd be so lost. I could not do that. Like even this responsibility is like.
You got mad.
When what?
At Crucial.
At what?
You being president. Do you really want to do that?
Well, if I got it, I'd do it. But I find it so hard. I'm currently on my way to the old library. That is where the training session is, and that is for 2 hours between 10:30 and 12:30. Sorry, it's gone really dark. Our campus is actually so pretty. This is a chapel, and then there's so much greenery on our campus, and then that building over there is the old library. I think I mentioned what like a peer mentor is, but the reason I'm doing it is because in second year I had a peer mentor who was a girl in third year, and I found it so helpful to have her there, just if I ever wanted to message her for any advice or help on my course. So I thought I would do it this year just because I found it so helpful that I thought I should become a mentor. So I'm going to be paired with someone in second year psychology and just like help them out. After this, I've got an hour break, so I'm going to go to campus. I haven't got any work to do just because it's like the first day. I mean, there is stuff that I need to do, but I've left it at home, so I'll do it once I go home tonight and I'll show you guys what I'm doing. I'm going to get food on campus, and there's this new like pizza place. It's opened upstairs. Pizza's my favorite food. I could eat pizza every day, not exaggerating. And I saw it when I was setting up on Freshers Fair on the veg sock stall. I was up there and I looked at the menu and I was like, please be vegan cheese, please can there be vegan cheese, and there is. So I think I'm gonna get a vegan pizza for lunch. This is what I'm going to. Okay guys, so I just finished my training. It only took an hour, so it was shorter than I thought. Okay guys, so it is now actually 5 o'clock, 10 past 5 actually. I did get out of my lecture at 3:30, but I bumped into one of my friends, Georgia, and she came around and we just like hung out and chatted for a bit, so I haven't been vlogging. I thought I'd just chat to you guys about how I felt today and like how I found my first day of third year so far. I said this in my moving vlog that I'm apprehensive to start third year because I just feel like I know nothing about my dissertation. I still feel like that. I feel like a little bit calmer because my project supervisor has emailed us and like we're gonna set up a time to meet up, so I feel like okay, like support's there, like, and they said during the welcome talk like you're expected to meet up with them every single week, so I just feel like that's calmed me down a bit because I know I'm going to have regular contact with my supervisor and hopefully he's a good supervisor. I've never had seminars before. Psychology has always been one of those courses, at least at Exeter, where everything is just like, I really liked the feeling of a seminar because it felt like I was back in school, like in a classroom. What I miss so much about school is the amount of support we would get compared to uni. Like in uni, you could die and your lecturers would not know. Like literally they know nothing about you. It's so impersonal. The kind of feel that I got today from the welcome talk and from the seminar that I had is just that this year, like, they're gonna look after us a bit more because it's the final year and the most important year for our course. It's quality teaching hours, so I like that. I like the seminar feel, so I feel like I'm gonna enjoy that aspect of third year and that it's more personal. I feel like I'm definitely going to talk to my lecturers a lot more this year, like actually ask questions or go to speak to them after our seminar. I enjoyed the seminar. I thought it was good, although he did discourage us from making any notes. He was like, I just want you guys to listen to me, and the whole lecture was actually about how to study effectively, because it's kind of part of the module. So the module that I had today is called the associative mind, which was not one of my top choices. I didn't want to do this module. The only thing that kind of saves it for me is that the lecturer is amazing. If you guys will go to Exeter Psychology, Ian McLaren, I love him so much. He's so cute and he's so funny. He was basically stressing the importance of this specific way of studying, and he also stressed the importance of not making notes, which I found so weird. I had to just sit there and not make notes. I might have to come up with a whole new studying and note making strategy, because I was actually going to do a video about how I make my notes for lectures and like prep for lectures and how I organize my notes and folders, but now I'm feeling like that won't be relevant anymore because it's so different in third year where I have all seminars and they're like, don't make notes. Let me show you guys what I'm doing this year. So I went through my folders yesterday and relabeled them. So this term, in first term, I have psychology and law, which I've got my first seminar for tomorrow, so it's a seminar module. The associative mind, which is what I had today, that's also a seminar module. Dissertation, lol, because I can't believe I'm doing one. That folder is empty because I've made zero progress. Stats and methods is just normal lectures. Those aren't seminars. That'll be the only thing that feels familiar for me this year, is stats lectures and research methods lectures. I kept my stats and methods year 2 content because with stats it's like you're always just building on the previous year. This is qualitative methods and interviewing, which was from second year. I kept it just in case it's relevant for my dissertation. I don't know. And then these two I do in second term, so contemporary issue. And then the other module I'm doing in second term is CBT for mood disorders, and that is also a seminar module. So in first term I will be doing these two modules, which are seminar modules. Stats, and my dissertation just runs throughout the whole year, so that's like what I'm doing this term. And then next term I would have finished stats and these two, carry on with my dissertation, and then I've got these two. Yeah, basically I've been rambling on to you guys. It's now 5:30 and I've got a list of things to do. Not like serious, like it's my first day, calm down Selina, but I have got stuff to do. I need to respond to my emails because, as I showed you guys, I got an email from my project leader, so I need to reply to that, telling them when I'm free to meet up. And then I also got that email from Nightline, so I have to fill out a form. Oh my god, they were like, we're only taking on a few people this year. Then I got the email and they were like, hi, thanks for getting in touch with us, blah, blah, blah. And I read who it was to, so I was like, oh, who else has this email been sent to? 137 other people. Okay, well, I'm not likely to get that, but I'll apply anyway and try my best. So yeah, respond to emails, prep for my stats lecture tomorrow, and also because I told you guys I went to that seminar and he didn't allow me to make notes, so now I'm gonna make the notes for that. Also said that he's setting us mini essays to do, so I've been set a mini essay to do by Thursday, so I don't know whether to do that today. Oh my god, I'm just like so out of the loop. Like, I've just had a summer of doing nothing, so now it's like scheduling my homework, like scheduling what to do when. Okay, when am I gonna write that mini essay? Could I do that tonight as well, or should I have tonight off and do it tomorrow? Stress. I've already, I can't be bothered. I can't. My mind is just like racing at 100 miles an hour of all the different stuff I have to do. So I have to do these notes, I have to do a mini essay. I haven't even, like, in a couple of weeks I'll have dissertation stuff to do as well, because once that gets going, like, I've got stuff to do for my stats lecture tomorrow. I've got reading to do. He was like, I recommend you read one thing per seminar, so I've got reading to do, emails to respond to. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try and like decide what I'm doing today and what I'm saving to do tomorrow. I am back and slightly ashamed to say that it is now 7:10. How have we got here? I had my last lecture at 3:30. It's 7:10. What the fuck? I'm just gonna start with the email stuff I need to do because that's the easiest. Okay, now I need to reply to project leader. I'm just so stressed, and I'm like, why am I so stressed already? It's only the first day. Like, chill the fuck out. Like, how are you gonna deal in a month? So I've just finished the notes from today's seminar. I think, I'm not 100% sure though what kind of system I'm gonna adopt, but I think I'm gonna go to the seminars, just listen, maybe jot down a few things that they've said, you know, which I think is important, and then come home, write up the notes, and then I'm thinking like monthly, like at the end of each month, I'll go through each of my modules and rewrite the notes, make them neat, highlight them, or maybe not. Don't know if that's a bit unrealistic and too time consuming, and definitely test myself. Like, my lecturer stressed today is so important. It is now 8:30, so it's the end of my day. I'm gonna go downstairs and chill with everyone for the next hour, hour and a half, and then I'll go to bed. Really hope you enjoyed seeing what my first day of third year looked like and how it went. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell icon so you can stay notified each and every time I upload. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.